How to make your identity verified. Know your customer and identity verification policy. What is the Know Your Customer KYC program? Freelancer's KYC program ensures a trusted marketplace for all users by confirming customer identity through documentation collection. This helps to prevent fraud, money laundering, and financing of terrorism. We believe that KYC is a requirement that ensures a safer and secure online workplace for all freelancer members. In addition, several of their service providers, such as our payment gateway providers, requires us to perform certain checks on customer identity. How do I complete KYC to verify my identity? You can become freelancer verified by submitting a valid government-issued ID card, key code verification, and 2 recent utility bills or bank statements, or one of each. What if the details on my account do not match the name of my ID or my documentation? The details registered on your freelancer account must match the name of your documentation. You will be asked to confirm your details during the verification process before submitting them for review. What happens if I'm not able to pass KYC? If you are unable to become freelancer verified, freelancer may place an account limitation or suspend your account as a security measure. Falsing your identity is a crime. Freelancer website may report users that provide false documentation.